All right, so I'm just going to show you really quickly how to, I'm going to copy, this is my individual data, or this might be your group's data, and then we eventually want to be able to graph the data of everybody in the class. So this is what I recorded to get these reaction rates, and this is my data, right? So I just like made this table of just my 5 trials for every temperature, but we actually want to see what this looks like for the whole class. And actually, I didn't test lower temperatures, so I want the class data for that. So the key here is you're going to take the reaction rates, but you actually want to paste in. So notice actually, if I paste this, it pastes the formula, which is not what I want. So I actually want these values to be pasted. So I'm going to copy these, and then if you right click, you can go to this paste special values. It also has this shortcut, but then you can see that I'm going to paste my exact values, but actually I pasted those in the wrong place. So make sure, right, you put them in the right place. So now they're in room temperature. And now I've got, and I actually did more than 5 trials, but I'm going to paste these in 50 degrees. And then I'm going to paste these in 35. And so this is how you're going to, so yeah, just take your time and make sure that the right rates get in the right place. And then eventually, once we have everybody's data in here, and notice that not everybody will have the same exact trials. So let's say you had, what's one in here? Like, let's say that somebody had 55. You could, and notice that I'm going to right click here again. I could insert 5 rows below, and then I could actually do something like this. I could say, let's say we have a 55 degree, and we actually want something like that, right? So if the temperatures don't fit yours exactly, feel free to add a new temperature in. And then, yeah, eventually, so when you make a copy of this class data to also put in your sheet, you're going to look to take the average of all of these values for this cold number 10. And actually, sorry, there's nothing there right now, but average of like all of these. And then whatever this is, so this is 22.5, right? You could either say, oh, that's my reaction rate for 22.5. And then notice that as I'm putting together this table to make the graph, that I want this little stair step where I'm putting these so that I can graph them all as a separate series. But hopefully that should help you make that graph.